seated, please remember to remove any personal face coverings prior to putting on an oxygen mask to ensure the mask is secured and sealed properly. From all of us at American Airlines, we do thank you for flying with us today. A special welcome to AVIATION members, One World frequent flyers, and AVIATION credit card holders. To join AVIATION, sign up today on AA.com and earn miles for today's flight. You can also earn miles with our hotel and car rental partners, as well as AVIATION Aviator and MasterCard, which offers many great travel benefits. As a reminder, the seatbelt sign is on. Even when the seatbelt sign is off, keep your seatbelt fastened while you are seated. In the event of turbulence, flight attendants may need to be seated. We apologize if this interrupts our service. Use caution when opening overhead bins, as items may have shifted. Keep the aisle and galley areas clear. There are 2 lavatories, one in the front and one in the back. Wi-Fi will be available shortly. You may access AA.com free of charge to view flight connections and other travel information. Complimentary streaming video entertainment is available. In just a moment, when we reach a cruising altitude, we'll be off.